Okay, let's order that.
Okay.
All right, so got a car in from IAA. Not that big of a deal. But check out this crap. I'm so sick of y'all people doing stupid, garbage things to your vehicles, and then other people have to deal with it. It's like, if you're gonna wreck your stuff, then take your trash out.
Oh!
Okay? First off, your seat don't work, okay? So your seat don't work. So you're riding around, whoever owned this, you're riding around with your seat not working. Now, this should be priority. As soon as your seat stops working, this thing should be at a mechanic's, you know, and trying to fix your seat. This should be priority. But no. We're not, that's not our priority, of course. Instead, our priority is a stupid headliner. So we go pay somebody to put a stupid headliner up. So now not only do I have a car that has a seat that don't work, which that's fine. We repair stuff all day long, all the time. But now I have a complete garbage headliner that's not factory, because of course we want factory stuff for nice cars. You know, so now I have to deal with your trash of your headliner. But then I got this crap. What is this crap? You know what this crap is? This is called a starlit headliner for idiots. Okay? So instead of doing this thing right, what this idiot has done is they have took the box and just sat it there. Plugged it into the cigarette lighter, because Lord God knows if we freaking hardwire it like it's supposed to be and put it in the trunk or put it where it's supposed to be. But then we just leave it sitting in our car and going up the back like this inside the vehicle. All over the place. You know, this is how we're cruising around. And we're probably, I'm not gonna turn it up because we're gonna get a copyright, but we're probably riding around with our little music bumping, you know, and with our little Starhead headliner. And then we probably got some idiot that's climbing in here. Hold on. Yo, can you slide your seat up for me? Oh, nah, man, it's broke. Oh, man. Dude, there ain't really no room back here. What's all this in my elbow? That's my starlit headliner, man. You're what? So I gotta ride around like this? So not only am I cramped up, but now I got all this all over my shoulder, and I gotta cruise around like this? Just ignore that, man. So what about my feet, dog? Oh my God, y'all. So not only buying from IAA do you have to deal with accident related stuff, but then you have to deal with the trash that people do to their vehicles. This one's gonna be fun, because now we're gonna try to rip the starlit headliner out here, and I'm probably gonna beat the living crap out of it with a sledgehammer. And then I gotta decide, do I leave the crappy headliner in there that's black with the little pieces? We tried to rip it already and it didn't want to come out because it's probably glued from the backside. So we're probably just gonna cut through all of it. But then it's like you got little pieces that are hanging down through the headliner. Let me show you in case you don't understand how stupid this stuff is. So what they do is they take the little fiber optic crap and they poke it through. Look at that. Okay, so you got all this crap poked through the headliner, which these little things are sharp. So now what do I do with that crap? So if I cut it back here in the back, now I got to deal with all the little pieces down. What I need to do is take the box out, completely demolish it with a sledgehammer, rip the headliner out, take a piss on it, throw it in the dumpster, and then go to the junkyard and get an OEM headliner and put it back in where it's all nice and clean and the car is back like a presentable vehicle. This is what you have to deal with flipping cars from IAA. Sometimes you have to deal with not only the accident repair, but you have to repair people's stupidity. This is gonna be a fun day, y'all.